welcome to episode 59 of Mo Money, the investing economics show for millennials by a millennial, where our goal is to educate, entertain, and empower a new generation of investors. I am, of course, the host, MC Mo. Let's get to this week's topic. I made episode 49 of Mo Money titled Bitcoin, the Future of Money 4 months ago. At that time, Bitcoin was trading around $2,500. Now here we are today, and just this past Thursday, Bitcoin hit a record high of just over $19,000. With the rapid increase of Bitcoin's price, it has gone from the fringe of the cyberspace to the talk of the finance world, and now it is bursting into mainstream conversation. Coinbase, a popular app used to purchase Bitcoin, has become one of the most popular apps in the App Store. Stephen Colbert is talking about it. Big Bang Theory did an episode about it. Saturday Night Live mentioned it. Twitter is all talking about it. But the thing is, it seems most people still have no idea what it is. So I, as a self-appointed ace of analyzing, a distinguished dumb downer, the boss of the breakdown, a savant of simplifying, am here to tell you everything that you need to know in 4 short minutes. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, which simply means it is held on an online network of computers. There is no central powers, no government, no leaders. You cannot hold it in your hands. So those people that you see holding those gold Bitcoins with a bees on them, those are not actual Bitcoin. It was created in 2008 by a man or a group by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, whose true identity is still unknown to this day. It was created as a response to the financial crisis, a revolutionary way of reinventing the modern monetary system. Bitcoin was created to replace dollars with Bitcoin. It was created to replace banks with the blockchain. It was created to take the powers of the central banks and to destroy them. But you don't care about all of that. You're still wondering, what the fuck is it, and how can I use it to make me rich? Well, Bitcoin is like any other currency, just like dollars, euros, whatever. You can purchase goods and services with it. If a guy comes and fixes your car and he asks you to pay him 1 Bitcoin, you could send him 1 Bitcoin immediately. No middleman, no bank, no waiting 2 or 3 days for it to appear in their account. He'd receive it immediately. Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer network, so they can be sent and received without a middleman and with minimal or zero fees. Thousands of vendors already accept Bitcoins as a form of payment, like Microsoft, Subway, Expedia, and even the Sacramento Kings. So why buy it? Why pay for Bitcoin when we have dollars? Like I said, Bitcoin was created during the dark times of the financial crisis. It was created essentially as a fuck you to all central banks and the government. People are worried with government instability that their money and savings are at risk of confiscation or inflation. See this in places like Zimbabwe and Venezuela, where many people are buying Bitcoin. People used to buy gold to protect against instability, but it's a new age. During and since the crisis, governments have been creating more and more money to ensure the stability of the financial system. But the more money there is, it makes the money you have less valuable because there's more of it. The less valuable your money becomes, the less stuff that you can buy. It costs $150 to buy a dozen eggs in Venezuela right now because their government printed a bunch of money. There will only be 21 million Bitcoin created in the net. There is currently roughly 16 million, and the closer that the number gets to 21, the slower that the coin is created. That technical stuff, that's not important right now. You can watch my other video if you want to know more about that. And there is this situation, Wild Wild West, a wasteland, a vacuum, where people don't understand what the fuck is going on, but they know that they can make money. There will always be slimy salesmen who will try and tell you that they can explain it to you and teach you how to get rich from it. Here's the thing. Can you get rich from Bitcoin? Sure. A lot of people have, but that's not the point of it. It's not an investment vehicle like stocks or bonds, and it's not made to be a get-rich-quick scheme. Look, there are other cryptocurrencies out there that could make you a lot of money and could be the crypto that becomes the one that reigns supreme. But also, these others could kick you in the teeth. Most importantly, nobody knows which one it'll be. There's no amount of money you could pay anyone to find out. If someone tells you that they know for certain, they don't. Don't buy anything from anyone claiming to have the secrets. Bottom line, Bitcoin is the newest and most revolutionary technology since the internet. Its price is volatile. It's still trying to find its place. If you want to try it and you want to buy and trade and get rich, go ahead. But you're probably going to get kicked in the teeth. If you want to buy it, open a Bitcoin wallet, buy a little each month, and forget about it, awesome. Or buy a little, go buy something with it and see how cool of a technology it is. Simply, Bitcoin is not a way to buy drugs. It's not a way to launder money. It's not a bubble. It's not tulips. It's not destroying the environment. It's not the money of the neo-Nazis or any other ridiculous defamatory things that people say about it. People who say these things are either too old and threatened by change, or they're too lazy to do a little research. Bitcoin has a large network of die-hard, passionate supporters. It's not going anywhere. Is it going to bring an end to government-controlled money and upend banks and rein in a new era of decentralized money? Who knows? Nobody does. But that is essentially what it was created for. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, great. If you want to try and get rich, great. Good luck. If you think it's dangerous and risky and you don't want to be a part of it, great. But before you buy it, or you don't, at least know what it is before you form an opinion and you start talking about it. Thank you so much for watching another episode. You can find new and classic episodes of Mo Money right here on YouTube. For now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, like me on Facebook. Check out the MoMoneyShow.com. Mo Money, signing out.